Practice reading sentences with that is. Children, let's read. That is a beautiful seashell washed up on the beach. Your turn. Good job. That is a friendly robot ready to play. Your turn. That's great. That is a shiny red apple waiting to be eaten. It's your turn. That is a big yellow school bus picking up kids. Your turn. Good job. That is a tiny ladybug crawling on the leaf. Your turn. That is a friendly snowman with a carrot nose. It's your turn. That is a bumpy caterpillar turning into a butterfly. Your turn. That is a magical wand for casting spells. Your turn. That is a cozy fireplace warming up the room. Your turn. That is a magical book filled with adventures. Your turn. Great work, children.